Hey, so here I want to talk to you about SEO versus paid ads, and I want you to understand the difference between them. This will be a quick video, but I think it's important. So, first of all, paid ads are great. I mean, I'm sure you've clicked some paid ads, but this course obviously is focused around SEO. But I want to tell you that some figures that just so you have a more clear picture of what the difference between them is. So ads have less clicks, and I'm sure you know about this. But if you didn't know, now you know, because people are keen to click on organic search results because they convey more confidence. So that's one of the reasons why Google is constantly trying to make ads more look less like ads. So recently they just recently, like a couple of years ago maybe, they just changed how the ads looked. So previously the ads were, I think, blue, and now they're the same color as organic search results, and they only have like an AD saying ad in black on the corner. So they're trying to integrate and make the ads look more like organic search results. That's because people tend to click on organic search results instead of ads, because people value way more someone that got at the top of Google by working hard or by being a good company than someone that's just paying to be there. Okay. Again, the ads have less clicks. It's about 30-70, 70 for the organic results and 30 for the ads. This is not exact figures, but it's more or less that. Now, second thing, if you stop paying, you stop getting leads. So this is, of course, really simple. But if you run an ad, for lead generation or for anything else, as soon as you pay, as soon as you stop paying it, you stop getting leads because the ad will be shut down. That's not the case with SEO. SEO is forever, not exactly forever, but once you're up there, it requires low maintenance to stay on top. That's the main difference. So ads, you stop paying, you stop getting results. SEO, you stop working, not stop working, but do a little bit of maintenance, you still get results. And SEO is a long-term game, which makes it more efficient in terms of costs. This is the big difference between SEO and paid ads. It was a quick video. I just wanted you to be aware of this. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.